Do you remember what Wilson always said? One man can make a difference.
Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. My Painless wiring harness arrived and I'm going to do an unboxing video as promised. But it's going to be a quick unboxing video because it is -3 degrees outside, and even with this garage insulated and heated, it's freezing out here. So I'm going to do this as quick as possible. Inside you can see we have 4 individual boxes. Here is our fuel injector wiring harness. Chassis harness wiring assembly. We have the power braid. And we have the actual chassis harness itself. And their latest catalog. Right here. Okay, the power braid. This one is, check and see. This is the power braid for the chassis kit. I'll bring that a little closer so we can see it here. That's part number 70920, power braid chassis kit. You can see everything that it includes on the back here. And then this here is the actual chassis harness. This is the Classic Plus customizable chassis harness for a GM keyed column, 28 circuits, part number 10201. There is nothing on the back of the box. Now this one says that it is the fuel injection wiring assembly. And that one is throttle body injection harness for a GM V6, 5.0, 5.7, and 7.4 liter V8. That's part number 60101. Part I'm a little confused on is this one here, which is just simply marked chassis harness wiring assembly. But on the side, it does say power braid kit, part 70921, which should be the chassis harness power braid kit. Just to take a quick peek inside this one. It is a power braid, and it does have everything inside. I'll be going over more of the contents of these kits in some pictures in another blog post. Just take a quick peek though inside each of these. You can see the wiring harness for the throttle body. Chassis harness here, and this one is heavy, and there's a lot of wire in here. I see right off the bat that they send dielectric grease with it, which is very nice. And we have our power braid kit, and this one is for the throttle body. So I'm guessing that they just haven't yet made a box for the chassis harness, and they're just using for the power braid chassis harness. So I'm thinking they're just using a regular chassis harness wiring box for that. So that takes care of that confusion. I will, like I said, go through in more detail and have pictures of all of these. But for now, that's it. It's cold out here. I'm going to go back inside. If you like these videos, please let us know by hitting the like or thumbs up button down below in the corner of the video here. We really do value the feedback. It lets me know if I should keep doing videos like this or not. Thanks for watching, everybody, and until next time.
No one ever suggested that what we do is easy. Nothing worthwhile ever is.